What is up, people? What is up, people? This is Abraham Walker, Ask A Walker, your Northern Virginia real estate agent. So we're looking at this model home by Knutson in downtown Brambleton. So these are 4-level rooftop terrace townhouses. Now, Knutson doesn't allow us to record inside the properties at this time. We're going to try to get in touch with Mr. Knutson to see if he'll allow us to do a tour. But I want to tell you how the layout is for this model here. So on the ground level, you have the 2-car garage on the back side of the property, maybe like a 1.5-car garage, to be honest with you, but it's advertised as 2-car garage. And then towards the front here, by this front door, you have a room that has a closet, so it could be considered a bedroom down here, or you probably use this as an office, but it does have a true closet. And then we go up to the bedroom level up here. I mean, not the bedroom level, but the main living level. There is a center kitchen layout for this model, and then you do have both a deck on the back of this unit, and some of the models, I think you can see it right there by those windows, is you actually could open up those doors right there, so you can let a little breeze in to kind of bring some uniqueness to the layout as well. Now, on the bedroom level in this model, you actually have an option to put 2 suites on the bedroom level versus 3 bedrooms. Usually we see 3 bedrooms, but you can put 2 suites on the bedroom level. So each one of those will have their own bath. One of them is going to be smaller. And I think the thing that's really special about this model or this layout is that on the rooftop terrace, there's not only a full bedroom with a closet, there's also a full bathroom. Now, I don't know if you could see this from the top here or from this angle. There is a legit level up there on the rooftop, on that 4th level. That is really unique in the sense that other developers, they kind of add that additional space, but they're not trying to make full use of the entire width or length of the property. So that's really cool. Knutson, it's potential that we're gonna get into the interior of this and bring it to the channel. I know they want to bring some eyeballs to their developments, and they seem like they're open to it. So if you know anyone at Knutson, let them know. We would love to record this property for the channel, and I will see you all on the next video. If you have any questions or if you're ready to start your real estate journey, there's a link in the description to the Perfect Home questionnaire. Fill out that form and we will schedule a time to meet online via Zoom. Also, stay tuned to the channel because we are bringing you all of the new construction properties that are in Northern Virginia. I will see you all on the next video. Peace.